understand everyone's mood as soon as they enter a room? They immediately find out who is happy, who is upset, and who is hiding something. But what will happen if I tell you that this is not a superpower, but can be a gift of childhood pain? Today's story will surprise you. Psychology says that old pain of childhood does not just give suffering to a person, but completely changes them from inside. Those people do not look broken from outside, rather they look very responsible and strong. But inside them, some such habits get hidden, which are made while fighting the situations of childhood. Let's know about 5 such strange and rare habits. Number 1. Sensing people's mood immediately, hypervigilance. As I said in the beginning, such people immediately understand as soon as the facial expressions or tone of voice of anyone changes. People can call it their illusion, but actually, this was a way for them to survive. In childhood, when the environment of home or around is not safe, then the child learns to keep an eye on every danger to save themselves. Even after growing up, their brain is not able to leave this habit. Number 2. Taking the responsibility of others' happiness on oneself. Do you also always try to keep others happy? People whose childhood passes in difficulties, they often take the responsibility of keeping others calm and managed on their own head. They feel that if anyone around them is sad or angry, then to fix it is their job. They care for others not just out of love, but because of a fear and responsibility. Number 3. Feeling fear even in moments of peace. For these people, peace, and everything being fine, is very strange. When everything is going very good and calm in life, then their heart starts panicking that, is something bad going to happen? Because from childhood they have seen only turmoil, therefore their body is not able to recognize peace at all. They feel that this peace is just before the storm. Number 4. Not asking for help from anyone, being excessively self-reliant. These people like to do all their work themselves. Even in the most difficult times, they do not spread their hands in front of anyone. Looking from outside, this looks like a very big strength, but actually, this was a compulsion. In childhood, when there was no one to give them support, then their brain learned that, in the world, do not depend on anyone else. Number 5. Understanding others' pain, but hiding one's own pain. These people understand others' pain and suffering very deeply. They listen to others' words very well and give them support. But when it comes to their own pain, they keep it hidden from everyone. In childhood, they used to feel that nobody cares about their troubles, therefore even today they cry their cry only in loneliness. 3. Conclusion. Psychology says one thing absolutely clear. Difficulties of childhood do not break a person, rather they make them wise and strong before time. But remember, the habits that had protected you once in childhood, it is not necessary that you keep carrying them even today. You do not have any need to remain strong for a lifetime. You too are deserving of peace, love, and comfort. Friends, which of these things did you feel very close to yourself? Or which habit do you want to leave now? Do tell me by commenting. If you liked this video and it touched your heart, then do like the video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Share it with your friends too so that they too can understand themselves. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.